Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Megan. I'm a junior at UCF and I'm studying abroad in Alicante, Spain for spring 2020. Now, it's a little strange to be packing 4.5 months worth of clothes and stuff in 2 suitcases and a backpack, but I think I did a pretty good job and I'm excited to show you guys what I packed. So my program gave us a couple of helpful hints and tips. The first one being pack light, because you're going to want to buy stuff when you get over there, and just bring the essentials and bring half of what you originally would have packed. So I didn't put on makeup before filming, so please excuse, but I just wanted to show you really quickly the different bags that I'm going to be taking on my flight with me to Spain. Basically my plan, because I'm going on a Madrid tour before anything else, is I'm going to put most of my stuff in there. The stuff that I need for the 5 days of the Madrid tour in there, and then this is just my carry-on for the flight, of course. I'm also going to be putting a change of clothes in this bag. So my flight is 6 hours. I land at 8 a.m. and I'm just going to want to like brush my teeth, change my clothes and things like that once I land, so that's what that is also for. Then I have this cute little backpack purse. My camera actually fits in here really, really nicely. I don't think I'm going to be taking this on the plane with me, but it'll be really nice to be able to carry around when we're touring and everything like that, so I don't have to carry this big bulky thing around. Next we have, this is my little fanny pack. I actually bought it for EDC. I just got it on Amazon, same as this purse and this backpack here. But basically, I'm just going to be carrying my cash and my valuables in here so that I don't lose them when I'm in the airport. And finally over here I have a little neck pillow. So next I'm going to talk about clothes. I feel like this is the most thought about piece of traveling. So I laid out all of my clothes so that you can see it a little bit easier, and I'll just go through everything that I have. Here are all of my clothes that I'm planning on taking with me. Jean jacket, super essential. Next, I brought a big coat. I actually bought this one from Forever 21. Currently, it is, I want to say like in the 40s in Alicante, which is the town I'm going to. So definitely gonna need a big coat for that. Got a hat and gloves, my boyfriend's hoodie, of course. Then we have my UCF hoodie. This is one of my favorites. 1 pair of dark jeans, 1 pair of light wash, and 1 pair of black jeans. This one is a pair of lined leggings. This is from Amazon, a company called Huga or Yuga, whatever you want to say. The next one up is leggings from Fabletics. Then I have 1 pair of jean shorts and 1 jean skirt. Both of those are from Forever 21. I have a really cute cropped sweater. This is from American Eagle. So then we're moving on to all of my shirts. I live in t-shirts, so I tried to make a bunch of different colors. These are all t-shirts and that one's a tank top, just in case I want to go to the gym. Next up, we have dresses. So these 2 are t-shirt dresses. This one's a little bit more formal. This is just an extra going up out top that I bought and haven't worn yet. But it doesn't really spill up much space, so I thought I'd pack it anyway. Over here is just a stack of pajamas. I'm bringing 2 shirts and 2 pants. I feel like that'll be enough for me. I think I have like maybe 15 pairs of socks in here. I have some slippers. They're not the cutest things in the world, but somebody told me that in Spain they don't wear shoes around the house or bare feet. So definitely you need to make sure you have slippers or buy some when you get there. I'm just gonna bring mine just in case. Next up I have shoes, so pair of sneakers. Gonna be walking a lot when I'm doing my traveling, so I've got to bring those. A pair of cute little booties that I got for Christmas. 2 pairs of Converse, 1 white low top, 1 black high top, and flip-flops, of course. Okay, I just added 2 things that were in the laundry, but this sweater right here and this sweater right here. Now I'm gonna decide which clothes I want for the first 5 days of my trip when I'm in Madrid. I'm gonna stick those in my smaller suitcase and then put everything else into my big suitcase. So this is what my luggage looks like so far. I think I did pretty well. And that luggage is completely full, so. Next I'm gonna show you some more random stuff like makeup and everything like that that also went into my luggage. So this is what it all looks like. I was told not to bring a straightener or a curler because sometimes the outlets can't handle it in Europe. I don't know why, the voltage is different, something like that. Starting over here with my eyeshadow, I have my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and 2 Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I was told not to bring a ton of makeup because if you bring a bunch of makeup, they're gonna have all of the stuff there as well that you can buy. But just bring stuff that you wouldn't be able to find there. And then my Morphe, this is just a nudes palette, and under that is the James Charles palette. So I really like these and I use them a lot, so I just figured I would bring them with me. Now here's my other stuff. I have 1 translucent powder, BB cream, eyebrow pencil, lip gloss, mascara, my favorite concealer, and a couple of brushes. And then this is setting spray. Scrunchies, and then this is all like medical-ish stuff. Hand sanitizer. We have some immune, I guess these, you put them in your water or something like that, but that'll be nice for the plane. This is the same thing, but chewables, lotion, nail clippers, Advil. This is mouthwash. We got a shampoo and conditioner just because I hate using the little hotel shampoo and conditioners. And this will be good for the first couple days. A little first aid kit right here. And a little baby pack of tissues. Also right here, this is kind of my like bring onto the plane area. So right here we have toothbrushes. This is the kind that you like get from the dentist if you forget to brush your teeth because it already has toothpaste on it. And I'm gonna want to brush my teeth after that long flight. An extra shirt and pair of socks for when I get off the plane because I'm gonna want to change. Here's some snacks for the plane. I think they might feed me breakfast and dinner, but I'm not really sure, so gotta have this big bag of caramel M&Ms. Next, we have some important documents. Some of it's going in my luggage and some of it is going in my carry-on. But this is just copies of important papers like my visa, my passport, stuff like that. Right here is the arrival guide that we were told to put in our carry-on luggage of what we're doing during the Madrid tour and things like that. Got my passport right here. And this is just a bunch of euros for when I get there. We got my Beats headphones over here. These are more of the electronic things that I'm bringing. So we got 2 pairs of headphones right here. Got a mouse and mouse pad. I have my laptop too and I'm bringing that, but I'm in the middle of editing a video so I didn't want to put it on my bed. Bluetooth speaker. This is for my camera. These are, actually got them on Amazon. They are cord converters. So the European plugs look like this and the American plugs look like this. So I can convert those. I'm gonna put one in my luggage and one in my carry-on just so I have that. Here's another converter that my parents had for me as well. This is a pin to change my SIM card on my iPhone so that when I land, I can get a new SIM card in Spain and have a different phone number. And more camera equipment. I got a tripod and stuff like that. Here are a bunch of printout photos that I already had that I just wanted to bring with me. Some with my friends, one with my mom right here. Last but not least in this pile, I have my bullet journal right here. And of course, my huge colored pencil thing. I've got 100 colored pencils in here as well as 24 markers, so. Obviously I didn't talk about stuff like underwear, socks, chargers, toothpaste, things like that, but I thought those were pretty obvious and I'm not grabbing them till the last minute anyway. As part of my leaving preparation, I thought I would also talk about money since it's very important to have your money in order before you go abroad. So here's what I did. So I just got finished at the bank. I made an order of 300 euros. The current rate of exchange is €1 to $1.18, I do believe. So I went in, asked for 300 euros, it's about $350, and here they are. I'm super excited. So the reason that I got euros in cash is because my rent payments every month are gonna have to be in cash. So my initial deposit is 250 euros, so I have that in here, plus an extra 50 for my travels just in case I have to pay tips or some places don't accept credit card, etc. For the majority of my trip, I'm planning on using my credit card and my parents' credit card because neither of them have international fees, so that's super convenient. And then I'll probably just do cash back or maybe open a bank account when I'm there. It feels like it's getting real now that I have actual euros in my hand, so. I had never actually seen euros before, but this is what they look like. We got these. We got a 50, a 20. That one's really pretty. Why doesn't our money look like this? What the heck? We got a 10. Here's a 5. Got another 5. And another 10. But I think that's about it for today. I'm getting really excited. Exactly 24 hours from when I'm shooting this video, I will be leaving for Spain. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you, and subscribe because I'm going to be filming a lot more videos really, really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.